All of us are blessed in some or other ways. But realizing our blessings and utilizing them for our as well as others' benefit is of utmost importance. Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Tabinda Javed and I'm the president of IVSA Kashmir. IVSA Standing Committee on Wellness
has taken an initiative
to make us realize our privileges.
Since all of us have our own interpretations of privilege,
so here we are,
members of IVSA Kashmir, speaking about our wet privilege.
For me, it's a bonus point in one's life.
Privilege is the role for which you have been chosen by the nature.
Something which makes you feel exceptional and distinct.
Privilege, according to me, is having an edge over others.
Privilege is any opportunity which you get, which you grab, and with which you succeed.
According to me, privilege is a specific feature or character that you have blessed with by Almighty.
Privilege is a benefit that makes you more realistic in life.
I believe privilege is a special kind of entitlement or a kind of positive affirmation, which is regardless of any kind of prejudices.
Privilege to me simply is a special advantage or a benefit granted as a favor.
Privilege is a right granted as a benefit to a person.
It is to be born in a good environment and receiving a good education.
Privilege to me is a fortunate opportunity.
According to me, privilege is a benefit or a special right.
Privilege to me is freedom or a special advantage.
Privilege, according to me, is having access to a field or issue that holds great importance in our lives.
Privilege is an advantage that should be taken as a responsibility.
Privilege to me is a fortunate happening.
Being a Kashmiri
is just to have all those necessities in life which others admire or pray for.
Sad but true, we live in a society where my privilege is being a male.
One of my privilege is socio-economic wellness.
Deep understanding of things and the resultant conclusions generalized in the right way is my privilege.
As a veterinarian, I have the privilege of accessing and knowing about the food industry which is dependent on animal husbandry.
My privilege is to have a group of supportive people around me who believe that mental health is important.
I have been privileged with many things, but for me the biggest among them is being a woman.
Being born as Muslim was the greatest privilege, and by that I got the equal opportunity as my brother.
Among my privileges, one of my greatest privileges is being sympathetic and helpful to people.
My privilege is being the eldest child of my family.
Being in a profession where I can help the voiceless is my biggest privilege.
My privilege to be able to wake up early in the morning with a positive mind and to be able to live and enjoy life.
My prerogative is my liberty, irrespective of being a girl, be it in exercising my intellect or education opportunity.
My privilege is my profession, through which the perception of life has changed for me.
Alhamdulillah, I have a lot of privileges in my life, but one of the biggest privileges that I have right now is being the president of IVSA Kashmir.
Having people in my life who make me feel special.
My privilege has helped me by giving me a sense of safety.
Being a part of IVSA has given me great opportunities to explore and learn, and also meet an amazing group of people.
Having knowledge about animal products, their quality and safety in consumption, I prefer the best.
It is because of my privilege that people always tend to help me in difficult situations.
From my personal perspective, it has broadened my horizons and it has strengthened my inbuilt courage.
My privilege has helped me to eliminate the need to rush in the morning, made me organized, and it helps to start my day on an optimistic note.
It has made me understand the importance of individuality, empathy, and kindness.
I use my privilege to maintain positivity in my life.
Women are always thought to have strong mind with soft heart, and I guess that has helped me to put forth my point of view and to have an upper hand in decision making.
So my privilege made me realize that there is so much to explore than just studying about human beings.
It helps me to make clear decisions and choose the right things for myself.
Because of this privilege, I was able to continue my education in a renowned institution and provide myself with good healthcare and nutriment.
Due to my privilege, I have a rich cultural legacy and belong to the people who live in harmony irrespective of color, gender or religion.
Privilege has made me an optimistic person and has helped me to blur all the negativity around me.
With my privilege, I conquered all my fears and brought positivity to my life.
My privilege has taught me peace, equality, and submission among all mankind, regardless of one's gender, faith, language, or race.
Privilege has made my decision-making skills much more efficient as my opinions hold a say in my family.
I try to reciprocate the love that I get and spread compassion, kindness, and positivity.
Feeding of birds and dogs is like a ritual for me. And recently I took care of 2 kittens till they reunited with their mother.
My privilege has given me the strength to help my friends and family in times of difficulty.
I have used my privilege to fight against the broken culture and to instill an idea of breaking the patriarchy.
As a veterinarian, I use my knowledge of animal feeding to help aware the local and small breeders and dairy farmers about efficient animal feeding so that they can increase their productions.
I help people to get over their emotions and think rationally.
I always try to inspire people to take pride in being who they are and never forget their roots, and have always tried to promote the idea of communal harmony.
By reaching out to my fellow veterinarians and making them aware of the opportunities they are surrounded by.
I use a part of my privilege for feeding 6 to 8 animals daily and providing them with good healthcare facilities.
I use my privilege in helping others in overcoming their fear, anxiety, and I also work with organizations that aware people about PTSD.
I have contributed in breaking the shackles of the patriarchal society by making people realize that the liberty of the girl does matter too. They, being the pioneer of change and progression, must not be confined within the boundaries of their home.
I make efforts to aware the people about the abuse of animals and urge them to help the animals in need.
I have had speeches which has made women realize their potential and to have a voice in the crowd.
I use my privilege to help others in every manner that I am capable of.
Use my privilege to help people by giving them educational guidance.
I use my privilege to dispel all the misconception about Islam and to spread the true teaching of it.
I try to motivate people and make them understand that being an early riser makes you more organized and productive.